Hua Hin is a seaside resort town located on the Gulf of Thailand. It's a trendy weekend destination for Bangkok's urbanites who want a respite from the big city's hustle and bustle. Today I'm going to show you around two of Hua Hin's most popular night markets, the Hua Hin Night Market and the Tamarind Night Market. But first we're gonna get a bite at this beautiful restaurant called Chow Lei Seafood Hua Hin. This place has an amazing view on the water, which we really appreciated. The menu here is mostly Thai food with Chinese influence. Here's a montage of all the food we had. Now let's head to the markets. Our first stop is Hua Hin's eponymous night market. The stalls here sell everything from street food to clothing. It's a lot of the same souvenir and goods that you will see in the typical market or touristy area, but there is also an abundance of seafood available for your picking. Everything does have a slight markup though, but that is to be expected. The market is boisterous with loud music blasting from many restaurants. You will also see a ton of Chinese tourist groups wandering around the alley. But overall, I find that the market is quite charming and offers exotic varieties of food.
So weird.
It looks naked.
Look at the shrimp.
It's humongous.
Thai style, you can sit up there, nah. You can take photo view around. ที่ตอนนั้นมันจะซื้อกันเนี่ยที่ตอนนั้นมันจะซื้อกันนะครับตอนนี้น่ารักเลยอ่ะที่บาทที่บาท
On our second night in Hua Hin, we decided to visit the Tamarind Market. This market has more of a laid-back vibe and allows you to have a relaxing dining experience with your companions. You won't be bombarded by a ton of people trying to drag you into restaurants or forcefully trying to sell you things.
Pork? No one?
Yeah.
20 ขออันนี้ได้ไหมครับ100 บาทครับ100 บาท
Here, you can select the food you want to eat at various stalls and then bring it back to a table in the communal area. You can make yourself more comfortable in this table area, and there is also live music and entertainment playing on stage. I quite like the atmosphere at this night market. Here's a peek of what we ate. We had some mud cockles, some jumbo prawns, and some mussels. And also we had some mantis shrimp sashimi. So that is all for today's video. I hope you guys had fun touring the night markets with us, and I'll see you guys next week.
Yes, she's our show.